Hello guys, let's check out the brand new song from Nona. This one is called Honk. Let's check it out.
Look at me, look at her, pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, posted, buckle up out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go.
That beat is so creative. I love what they did with it, and the song sounds very good.
The bus go round and round, got that junk in the trunk, and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face, and I always got my way. But with that bass, and I make a speaker break, gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. N-O-N-A on the license plate. Kaka-ade, jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
I love how they integrated that honk into that instrumental. That was wonderfully done. That is a very beautiful song, and the video is so creative. It looks so amazing. Everything about it was just very nice. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.